Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Galaxy Store app on your Samsung. Once open, tap the profile icon in the top right to go straight to Settings. You're doing this now to prevent automatic downloads and conserve data or avoid unwanted changes. Make sure to find the Auto Update Apps option. Toggle it off. This stops the store from updating apps without permission. If you prefer, leave Wi-Fi only updates on, but for a complete stop, turn the Auto Update toggle off. Next, check the Google Play Store because many Samsung phones use both stores. Open Play Store, tap your avatar, then Settings and Network Preferences. You need to set Auto Update Apps to Don't Auto Update Apps so Play Store won't override Galaxy Store choices. You're doing this to cover both update sources and keep behavior consistent. Once done, make sure any work profiles or secondary users repeat these steps, since profiles can have independent settings that still install updates automatically. Finally, inspect individual apps. Open their page in Galaxy or Play Store and uncheck Auto Update per app if you need fine control. If an app still updates, disable background data or force stop the store temporarily. Once done, restart your phone to ensure settings apply. If updates continue, check for device admin or enterprise profiles that enforce updates and remove them if allowed. This process gives you control without breaking app functionality. Try one change at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.